Welcome back to Easy Driver. Thanks for watching Part 1. In Part 2 of our nitrogen tire inflation versus air tire inflation debate, we'll dive even deeper into this critical decision every vehicle owner faces. We'll explore the factors of maintenance, expert opinions, and studies to help you make the best choice for your tires. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Let's hit the road to better tire care. Temperature fluctuations. Temperature fluctuations can affect tire pressure, impacting both performance and safety. Nitrogen-filled tires demonstrate better temperature stability compared to air-filled tires. Nitrogen's lower permeation rate limits pressure changes due to temperature, ensuring more consistent tire performance in different weather conditions. This stability can contribute to better handling and traction. Fuel efficiency. Properly inflated tires can enhance fuel efficiency, which is a crucial factor for many drivers. Nitrogen-filled tires tend to retain their pressure better over time, promoting optimal fuel efficiency. With consistent pressure, the tires maintain their desired shape, reducing rolling resistance and improving gas mileage. While the difference may be subtle, it can add up over time, benefiting both your wallet and the environment. Durability and wear. Tire durability and wear are important considerations for any driver. Nitrogen can help extend tire life and reduce wear. By minimizing moisture and maintaining stable pressure, nitrogen-filled tires experience less oxidation and degradation. This can result in reduced rubber aging, preventing premature tire failure and increasing overall durability. In summary, when deciding between nitrogen and air for your tires, it's essential to consider the performance and safety factors. Nitrogen offers advantages such as improved tire pressure stability, reduced moisture-related corrosion, better temperature stability, enhanced fuel efficiency, and increased tire durability. By understanding these factors, you can make an informed choice that aligns with your needs and priorities. Maintenance and availability. When it comes to maintaining the right tire pressure, both nitrogen and air have their own considerations. Understanding the differences in maintenance and availability can help you make an informed decision about which option is right for your tires. Nitrogen maintenance. Nitrogen-filled tires are known for their ability to retain pressure over a longer period of time compared to tires filled with regular air. This is because nitrogen molecules are larger and less likely to escape through the rubber of the tire. As a result, nitrogen-filled tires require less frequent pressure checks and top-ups. However, it's important to note that nitrogen-filled tires are not immune to pressure loss. They can still experience leaks through punctures or valve issues, just like regular air-filled tires. So, regular maintenance checks are still necessary to ensure optimal tire performance. Air maintenance. Maintaining the correct tire pressure with air-filled tires requires more frequent monitoring compared to nitrogen. This is because regular air contains moisture and other gases that can easily escape through the tire's rubber, causing gradual pressure loss over time. To keep your air-filled tires in good condition, it's recommended to check their pressure at least once a month, or before long trips. In addition, regular top-ups may be required to compensate for any pressure loss. Availability and cost. Air, being the most common option for tire inflation, is readily available at most gas stations and automotive shops. In fact, it's often free of charge to fill up your tires with air. This convenience and accessibility make it a preferred choice for many drivers. On the other hand, nitrogen is less commonly available and may require a visit to specialized tire shops or service centers. Some of these locations may charge a fee for nitrogen inflation. While nitrogen is typically more expensive than air, it's important to consider the potential benefits it offers in terms of pressure retention and tire longevity. As we can see, both nitrogen and air have their own maintenance considerations. Nitrogen requires less frequent checks and top-ups due to its lower rate of pressure loss. Air, on the other hand, necessitates more regular monitoring and top-ups. Additionally, air is widely available and often free, while nitrogen may come at an extra cost and require a visit to specialized locations. Consider your specific needs and preferences to make an informed decision about which option is right for your tires. Expert opinions and studies. When it comes to the debate between nitrogen and air for inflating tires, it's important to consider what the experts have to say and the findings from various studies and research conducted in this area. Let's delve into the insights provided by experts and the results of relevant studies. What the experts say. Leading experts in the automotive and tire industry have weighed in on the topic of nitrogen versus air for tires. Their opinions are based on extensive knowledge and experience in the field. Here are some key points from their expert opinions. 1. Consistent tire pressure. Experts suggest that nitrogen may offer a more stable tire pressure compared to regular air. Nitrogen molecules are larger and less prone to leakage, resulting in reduced pressure loss over time. 2. Performance benefits. According to experts, nitrogen-filled tires may exhibit improved performance characteristics such as better fuel efficiency, enhanced handling, and increased tire life. The more stable pressure helps maintain optimal contact between the tire and the road surface. 3. Tire aging and oxidation. It is believed that nitrogen can slow down tire aging and minimize oxidation within the tire, which may contribute to longer tire life and improved safety. While the benefits of nitrogen have been highlighted by experts, it is essential to understand that the differences between nitrogen and compressed air might not be significant for everyday driving conditions. Studies and research. Several studies have been conducted to evaluate the impact of nitrogen versus air on tire performance. Here are some key findings from notable studies and research in this field. 1. Tire pressure maintenance. Research has indicated that nitrogen-filled tires experience less pressure loss over time compared to those filled with regular air. This finding suggests that nitrogen may help maintain optimal tire pressure for a longer duration. 2. Tire aging and oxidation. Studies have explored the effects of nitrogen on tire aging and oxidation. While the results vary, some research suggests that nitrogen can indeed slow down the aging process and reduce the negative effects of oxidation within the tire structure. 3. Performance and safety. Various tests have been conducted to examine the performance and safety aspects of nitrogen-filled tires. These studies often evaluate parameters such as grip, handling, braking distance, and fuel efficiency. Results have been mixed, with some tests showing minor improvements with nitrogen and others finding no significant differences compared to air-filled tires. Despite the studies conducted, it is important to note that real-world driving conditions may differ from controlled laboratory settings. Various factors such as road conditions, driving style, and climate can influence tire performance, regardless of the type of inflation medium used. Remember, the decision to use nitrogen or air for your tires should be based on your unique requirements and preferences, considering the expert opinions and studies as just one aspect of the overall decision-making process. In conclusion, when it comes to choosing between nitrogen and regular air for your tires, the answer may not be as clear-cut as you might think. While nitrogen offers benefits such as better tire pressure retention and reduced oxidation, it may not be necessary for every vehicle or every situation. Regular air, on the other hand, is easily accessible and can be conveniently filled at any gas station. Ultimately, the decision should be based on your specific needs and preferences. If you frequently drive in extreme temperatures or long distances, nitrogen may provide more stable tire pressure and potentially improve fuel efficiency. However, if you primarily drive in moderate conditions and have regular access to air, using regular air for tire inflation is likely sufficient. Remember, regardless of whether you choose nitrogen or regular air, regularly maintaining proper tire pressure is essential for optimal performance and safety. Proper tire inflation not only extends the lifespan of your tires but also enhances your vehicle's handling and fuel efficiency. Thank you for joining us in part 2 of our exploration of nitrogen versus air for your tires. We've covered essential aspects, including maintenance, expert opinions, and research findings. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver for more expert insights on tire care and automotive tips. Until next time, drive safely, and keep those tires rolling smoothly. Thank you for watching.